Hi, welcome back to another crochet tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show with you how to crochet a baby saliva napkin or a child bib. So I'm going to use a medium weight yarn and a 6mm hook. To begin in this project, we're going to make a slip knot. Once you have a slip knot, make a chain of 8. 1, 2, 3, yarn over and pull. Once you have a chain of 8, we're going to make 1 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. Yarn over and let's count 1, 2, 3, and 4. Insert your hook right there in the 4th chain from the hook. Yarn over and pull 3 loops in the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That is our second double crochet. And we're going to place 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and last one, 3. Okay, in the last stitch we're going to place 6 double crochet right there. 1, 2, in the same stitch, 3 in the same stitch, 4 in the same stitch, 5 in the same stitch, last one in the same stitch, 6 double crochet in last stitch. And then I'm going to place 1 double crochet in each of the stitches here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one on the 3rd chain. 1, 2, and 3, just right there. Okay, and this is how your round 2 would look like. So let's count our stitches: 2, 4, 5, and then we have 6 double crochet in 1 stitch, 2, 4, 6, and then again 5 double crochet to match this side to the other side. And this your work would look like. Round 3, we're going to make a chain of 3, 2, and 3. Turn your work around. Here we're going to skip 1 stitch, the very first stitch, okay? All the time, every time we're going to start our row. So yarn over, skip 1 stitch or the very first stitch, and in the next stitch make 1 double crochet. This is how we always start our rows, and make 3 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 2, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and 3. Okay, so you have 5 double crochet in total. In the next stitch we're going to place 2 double crochet. 1 more double crochet in the same stitch, 2. And in the next 5 stitches we're going to place 2 double crochet. Okay, one, 2, 3, 4, last one, 5. And then we're going to place 1 double crochet in the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one on the 3rd chain. 1, 2, and 3. Insert your hook and make your last double crochet. And this is your round 3 would look like. Round 4, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Turn your work around skip one stitch, and in the next stitch make one double crochet. Make 3 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. So you have 5 double crochet in total here per stitches, okay? And now we're going to place 2 double crochet in the next stitch, which is on the top of the first stitch that we make 2 double crochet in that stitch. So in the first, which is on the next stitch, okay? Insert your hook, make 2 double crochet, 2, and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. So this is our pattern: 2 double crochet in one stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat that 5 more times until the last stitch of 2 double crochet in one stitch here. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. I suggest don't make your crochet stitches too tight. I make it loose for me so it's not squishing together in. 1, 2, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, and last one, 1 double crochet in the next stitch. And this is how it look like. Now 5 double crochet in the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one, make 1 double crochet on the third chain. 1, 2, and 3. Insert your hook. That is our last stitch all the time. There you go. We're done with our round 4. Very easy. Round 5, chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Turn your work around. Skip one stitch, and in the next stitch place 1 double crochet. In the next 4 stitches, make 1 double crochet each. 1, 2, 3, last one, 4. So here on the top of 2 double crochet in one stitch, which is this one here in the first stitch, which is on the next stitch also, we're going to make 2 double crochet right there. 1 and 2. So we're placing 2 double crochet in one stitch. 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1 and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. And we're going to repeat that 2 double crochet in one stitch and 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches 5 more times. 2 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. There you go. One more, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. This is how it look like. 4 double crochet in the last 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, last one on the third chain. 1, 2, and 3. Insert your hook, make your last double crochet, one last double crochet. This is how you round 5. Round 6, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Turn your work around, skip 1 stitch, and in the next stitch likewise make 1 double crochet right there. Make 4 double crochet in the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the next stitch we're going to place 2 double crochet. Here we start increasing. 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. So this is our pattern, and increasing 2 double crochet in 1 stitch and 3 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. So we're going to repeat that 5 more times. Once you're done, place 4 double crochet in the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and your last stitch should be on the 3rd chain. 1, 2, 3, insert your hook and place your 1 last double crochet right there. This is your work would look like. Round 7, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Turn your work around, skip 1 stitch, and in the next stitch make 1 double crochet. Now we're going to make 5 double crochet in the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one, 5. It's 2 double crochet. 1, 2. In the next 4 stitches we're going to make 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and last one, 4. So this is going to be our pattern: 2 double crochet in 1 stitch, 4 double crochet in the next 4 stitches. Repeat that 5 more times, and I'm gonna meet you once I'm done. Once you're done, place 4 double crochet in the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and last one on the 3rd chain. Let's count 1, 2 and 3. Insert your hook right there and place your last double crochet. And this is how it looks like for your round 7. It's important you don't make your stitches too tight, because then it will go like this much more. So you have to give it a bit some space so it goes flat. Round 8, make a chain of 3. 1, 2 and 3. Turn your work around, and here in the very first stitch we're going to place 4 double crochet. 1. In the same stitch, insert your hook, make 4 double crochet, total of 5 including the chain 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochet in 1 stitch only in total. Now in the next 2 stitches we're going to skip that, and then in the next stitch we're going to place 1 single crochet. So skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and in the 3rd stitch insert your hook, yarn over and pull 2 loops in the hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops in the hook. That is single crochet. In the next stitch we're going to make a shell stitch, which is 5 double crochet in 1 stitch. Insert your hook, make 5 double crochet. 1 in the same stitch, insert your hook. 2 in the same stitch, insert your hook. 3 in the same stitch, insert your hook. 4 in the same stitch, insert your hook. And last one, 5. Make sure you count your number of stitch. So 2, 4, 5. Skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and in the third stitch make a single crochet again. Insert your hook, 2 loops in the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And there you go, you have your shell stitches already. And we're just going to repeat that pattern all the way around the edges until to the very end. Here I am in the end, making my last shell stitch after the single crochet. 2, 3, 4, last one, 5. And once you have your last stitch here, just place 1 single crochet right there, okay, on the third chain. 1, 2, 3. Insert your hook, place 1 single crochet. And there you go, we are done with shell stitches around the edges. Isn't it nice? It's so lovely. We're going to make a chain 1, pull tight and cut the yarn. Now we can secure the remaining stitch by making a few knots. For me, I'd like to make this in a half, so it's easier for me to make a few knots. Okay, so I will just insert my hook here in the last stitch and grab that yarn, the other half. And there you go, it's easier to make a few knots. It's up to you how you want to make your stitch secured. As for me, it is easier this way. And there you go. And then I will just put them together and I will insert my hook in the last stitch and grab that yarn to hide them, and then just hide this yarn in each of the next stitches. Just cut the rest of that, or we can stretch that. So I think that's enough. And there you go. Now we're going to make the handle. Okay, so it's up to you where you want to start. Here in the very first stitch of round 6, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here we're going to insert our hook. So insert our hook right there. Using 6mm hook and the same yarn, make a slip knot and pull. Chain 60, 2, 3, and last one 60, 60. If you want longer, you can add more chain. Now chain 1, pull tight and cut the yarn, and then just secure the stitch. I will just make 1 knot here in the end, okay, like this, to the very end, like that, to secure the stitch. One more time, and once you're done, just cut the yarn, just like that. Very easy. And just make the same in the other side, on the top of round 6. The very first stitch of round 6, going to insert your hook here and do the same. This is 8.5 inches wide, 5.5 inches long, and for our string, 13 inches.
Keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company.